In this video, you will add electrical equipment, create circuits and review connection types, understand the difference between feed-through lugs and breakers, change connection type in a circuit, create and use panel schedules to monitor connections, and alter circuit numbering in a panel schedule when feed-through lugs is used. Feed-through lugs for electrical equipment appeared in the 2020 release of Revit. It provides the option of connection between panel boards without the use of a breaker and can give a more accurate account of connections, loads and distribution within your project. In this project, we will add equipment to an electrical room, create lighting circuits, and then review the connection options when creating circuits between panel boards. Finally, we will create and use panel schedules to understand the difference between creating circuits using feed-through lugs and connection to a breaker. Begin by opening the Revit project file E02_02. Ensure the current view is Power Floor Plans 1 Electrical Room. First, use the Create Similar option from the right mouse button menu to add another panel board into the electrical room. Ensure Tag on Placement is selected. Then, edit the tag to LP2. From the project browser, open the view 1 Lighting. Then create a circuit for the lighting fixtures in the 3 rooms to the lower right of the floor plan, and connect to LP2. From the Analyze tab of the ribbon, create a panel schedule for LP2. A review of the panel schedule shows the circuit created and the circuit numbering that starts from 1. Next, we will connect panel board LP2 to LP1. If there are available slots, you can choose whether to connect to a breaker in LP1 or to use the feed-through lugs option. If there are no available slots, the only option is to use feed-through lugs to make the connection. A review of the panel schedule for LP1 shows there is capacity. So let's go ahead and connect LP2 through a breaker. Open the view 1 Electrical Room, select panel board LP2, create the circuit and select LP1 from the drop-down list of available panels to connect to. When there are available slots, you could choose whether a circuit is connected to a breaker or the feed-through lug at the time of creating it. Or, connection type can be changed after it has been created. Choose breaker from the drop-down list. From the project browser, open the panel schedule for LP1. Here, we can see LP2 connected and its loads totaled on this panel schedule. Again, the circuit numbering starting at 1. Next, we'll look at changing the connection type for this circuit to feed-through lugs. Open the view 1 Electrical Room and select the circuit between LP1 and LP2 using the Tab key in the left mouse button. From the ribbon, change the connection type to feed-through lugs. A review of the panel schedule for LP1 shows that LP2 is no longer connected to this panel through a breaker. Open the panel schedule for LP2. The circuit numbering for this panel starts at number 1, the same as the panel schedule for LP1. As this panel is fed from LP1, we have the option of continuing the circuit numbering. From the properties of the panel schedule, change the circuit numbering option from default to continue numbering. The circuit numbers have now updated to follow on from the circuit numbering of the feeder panel. Feed-through lugs allows designers to create a more accurate account of the connections and electrical distribution in a project. As panel boards are connected, the connection type can be set and altered afterwards to suit the changing in electrical design. The connection type is also reflected in panel schedules, providing an accurate picture of the total loads on each panel.